This video, we're going to talk about 1.9, Objective 2, where we divide polynomials using long division. So let's write our long division with the divisor on the outside, our dividend on the inside, and we'll have our quotient up here. So we're going to have 5 steps. We're going to take the leading term here, divided by the leading term here, and so we're going to divide. I'm going to get x, and I'm going to line that up over top of the same degree term here. Now I'm going to multiply back over here. So x times x is x squared, and x times 3 is 3x. And now I'm going to subtract. And to subtract, we're going to add the opposite. That. So I'm going to change my signs and add. Let me just say it that way. Change signs, what I just got, and then add. Change my signs and add. Then I'm going to bring down. Like this, and I keep going as long as I can continue to divide. So I'm just gonna, repeat all this here. So 4x divided by x is 4. And I can already see that I'm done because I've reached the end of my polynomial here. And anything that's left over in this step is going to be part of my remainder if I have a remainder. So 4x and 12, I'm going to change my signs and add. I get a remainder of 0, and the answer is x plus 4. All right. Let's go ahead and try that again down here. Y plus 6 into 3y squared plus 10y minus 48. 3y squared divided by y is 3y. 3y squared, and that's going to make an 18y. We're going to subtract. It's a negative 8y minus 48. Negative 8y over y is a negative 8. That's negative 8y and a negative 48. Change my signs and add is 0. This is 3y minus 8 for my quotient. Y plus 6 into 3y squared plus 16y minus 12. 3y squared over y is 3y. It's an 18y. Change my signs and add. And bring down. Negative 2y over y is a negative 2. Negative 2y minus 12. Change my signs and add. This is 3y minus 2. Okay, we want everything written in descending order of exponents before we get started here. So 3x minus 4 on the outside, and on the inside, I'm going to write 15x cubed minus 23x squared plus x, and I'm going to write a plus 0 there in case I need it, just as a placeholder so that I have every degree from the highest, degree 3, all the way down to degree 0 with my constant represented in case I need it. I know I'm done when I get to my constant term. So 15x to the third divided by 3x is 5x squared. It's 15x to the third, and then minus 20x squared. Change my signs and add. It's a negative 3x squared plus x. Negative 3x squared divided by 3x is a negative x. It's a negative 3x squared plus 4x, and I'm going to change my signs and add. That becomes a negative. So it's a negative 3x plus 0. And then negative 3x divided by 3x is a -1. Negative 3x plus 4. I'm going to change my signs and add, and that gives me a -4 over 3x minus 4. So that is 5x squared minus x minus 1 minus 4 over 3x minus 4 when I perform my division. 2x plus 5 into 2x squared plus 9x plus 2. 2x squared divided by 2x is an x. Change my signs and add. 4x divided by 2x is 2. Change my signs and add. It's plus 2 minus 8 over 2x plus 5. A plus 3 into 3a to the third plus 14a squared plus 17a minus 8. 3a cubed over a is 3a squared. Cubed 9a squared, change my signs and add. 5a squared plus 17a. 5a squared divided by a is 5a. 5a squared, 15a. Change my signs and add. 2a over a is 2. 2a and 6. Change my signs and add. -14. Like so. 3a squared plus 5a plus 2 minus 14 over a plus 3. A squared minus 3. 3a to the fourth. Again, I'm going to put my zeros in here as placeholders and the missing terms. I may or may not need them, but better to have them and not need them than to not have them and need them. So 3a to the fourth over a squared is going to be 3a squared. 3a to the fourth minus 3a squared. Change my signs and add. That's going to be 6a squared minus 36. A squared over a squared is 6. 6a squared minus 18. Change my signs and add. It's a -18. 3a squared plus 6 minus 18 over a squared minus 3. So minus 4 into x to the third plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 64. X cubed over x is x squared. X cubed minus 4x squared. Change my signs and add. 4x squared plus 0x. Squared over x is 4x. 4x squared minus 16x. Change my signs and add. 16x minus 64. 16x divided by x is 16. That's 16x minus 64. Change my signs and add. I get exactly x squared plus 4x plus 16. If we know how to do some factoring, we might be able to have figured that one out up there as well. because that was a difference of cubes that would have factored into x minus 4 times x squared plus 4x plus 16 over x minus 4. And there's nothing wrong with factoring and canceling out the common factor to do your division. It's completely legitimate. All right, t squared plus 3t plus 9 into t cubed plus 0t squared plus 0t minus 27. T cubed divided by t squared is t. T cubed 3t squared 9t. Change my signs and add. Negative 3t squared minus 9t, bring down the negative 27. Negative 3t squared divided by t squared is a negative 3. Negative 3t squared minus 9t minus 27. Change my signs and add. And we get t minus 3. And that's everything for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 1.9 objective 3. See you for the next video.